Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear student? I think you all are well. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam. Welcome to my class of my institution. Today I'll discuss geometric series. The difference between two successive ratio of a series is equal. Then the series will be geometric series. Suppose here 3, 15, 75. This is the geometric series because different ratio 15 and 3 are 5, 75 and 15 is also 5. That is 15 divided by 3 here 5, 75 divided by 15 also 5. This is the geometric series. If we write here, this also geometric series because no, if we write here 6 divided by 2, this is equal to 3, 18 divided by 3, this also 3, 54 divided by 18, this also 3. These two are example of geometric series. I'll determine the sum of first in terms of geometric series is equal to Sn here a r to the power n minus 1 r minus 1 when r is greater than 1 and or a 1 minus r to the power n let first term of the geometric series here a common ratio r, so the geometric series of first term is a plus ar plus ar square. If we write at the last term, this will be ar to the power n minus 1. The previous one ar to the power n minus 2. Similarly here ar to the power n minus 3. This is 1. By multiplying r we get r Sn ar square ar cube. If we multiply by r, then we get here ar to the power n minus 2, here ar to the power n minus 1. There is the last term, this will be r to the power n. By subtracting we get here this will be minus minus, here this also minus. S suffix n minus r s suffix n. Here this will be cut, so all are cut. Then we will get here a minus ar to the power n. If we take common s suffix n, then we get 1 minus r. Here if we take common a, and 1 minus r to the power n, that is s suffix n is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n, 1 minus r. The sum of first n terms of geometric series will be a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Here the value of r is less than 1. A suffix n, if we take common minus, then we get a r to the power n minus 1. Similarly, if we take common minus, then r minus 1, minus and minus will cut, then we get r to the power n minus 1, r minus 1. Here r is greater than 1. When the value of common ratio is less than 1, the sum of first n terms of geometric series will be a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. When r is greater than 1, that is the common ratio between two successive ratio is greater than 1, the sum of first term of geometric series will be a suffix n is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay. I'll solve here first 7 exercise 13.2. I'm right, exercise 13.2. Which term of the series series 128 64 32 dot is half? Here 64 divided by 180 at 28, this will be half. 32 divided by 64, this also half. We are seeing the ratio between two successive ratio is half. This is the geometric series. So here first term a is equal to 128. Common difference common ratio r is equal to 64 divided by 128, a half. So in term of the series, this will be a r to the power n minus 1. That is here a 128 r here half. So according to question, I am to find the value of n, then I will get the number of term whose value will be half. According to questions, 128 multi half n minus 1 is equal to half, or 2 multi 128, or a half minus 1. So will be at to 128. This will be 2 to the power 7. 2 to the power 7. If we write here 264, 232, 216, 28, 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 to the power 7, this will be 128. A half to the power n minus 1, and this will be 2 to the power 8, that is a half to the power 8. Here half and half will cut, then n minus 1 is equal to 8, that is n is equal to 9. So the number of term of this, the 9 term of the series is half. Very easy. I will discuss another one. 10. If 5 plus x plus y plus 135 is a geometric series, find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. Here first term we know a is equal to first term, here 5, first term, this second term, third term and fourth term. So fourth term is equal to here 135, or a r to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 135, that is here a 5 r cube is equal to 27, or that is r is equal to 3. Here x, this is the second term, and second term a r to the power 2 minus 1, that is here a r. The value of a here 5 and r 3, that is 15, and value of y, this is the third term, a r 3 minus 1, that is a r square. Here a is equal to 5 at r square 3 square, that is 45. We got the value of x here 15 and value of y here 45. This is the answer for x and y. Thanks for watching my class.